Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to set up beacons.ai landing page specifically for affiliate marketing, helping you drive more traffic and boost your earnings. Now first, head to beacons.ai and sign up for an account if you haven't already. This will serve as your main dashboard for building your landing page. Now once logged in, choose a landing page template that fits your brand. Beacons AI offers various customizable layouts. Add your profile photo and a bio and links to build credibility with visitors. Now in your Beacons dashboard, click on Add Link or similar buttons to add your affiliate links. Now be descriptive with your link title so your users know exactly what they'll find when they click through. Try try using and teasing phrases like get exclusive discounts. Now add relevant keywords to your page, description and meta tags to make it easier for search engines to find your landing page. This is a key if you want organic traffic to your affiliate offers. And that is how to set up a Beacons AI page for affiliate marketing. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.